What's the meaning of chaise lounge? Chaise lounge. Chaise lounge.
Chaise lounge. Chaise lounge. A chaise lounge is a long, upholstered seat for lounging or reclining. It's typically designed with a backrest at one end and a raised platform at the other. The name chaise lounge comes from the French term for long chair. It's often used for relaxing or reading in a living room or bedroom. Some chaise lounges have additional features, such as built-in storage compartments. They come in various styles and materials, ranging from classic leather to modern fabrics, making them a versatile and stylish addition to any home.